Today, we're going to test a few methods for building and destroying Legos. It's gonna be explosive. Soda, cement, jelly? Yum! These life hacks are fire! Let's make metal Legos, covered cookie Legos in syrup, more chocolate! I bet you can't wait, right? Then let's go! I love soda. What about you? Did you know you can make Legos out of it? Yeah, Lego soda. Let's go. This is gonna be the fizziest experiment in history. Fill up the molds. And boom! Brain freeze.
Frozen!
It's solid. Let's take a look. The soda Legos are done. They look neat.
That's a
If
good
I could
one.
build a house out of these bricks, I'd never leave. Building an ice castle. A soda palace on an iceberg sounds epic, right? The last brick. Bam! Slay. Soda Lego 0, Gravity 1. Big projects aren't my thing. Can I just borrow a little cement? Thank you, kind sir. Good luck with the wall. Chips are my best friends. Hey, no touch. This is mine. Thanks. Now Chips and I are even closer together. Call me Chip Man. Mixing the building material. Cement plus sand plus water equals concrete Legos. These ain't your grandma's overnight oats. Get ready to rock out, bro. You're gonna be a superhero. Fill the molds. We're making Lego people and bricks. It's all hardened. Time to build. I wish I could see them fighting titans. Or maybe my hamster. Oh, new challenge. A concrete set. You look dangerous. Why, I oughta. Ouch! It's over for me. He hit me back. Time for revenge. This guy's a ninja, a secret karate master. Well, I have a plan. This is major. This is gonna get hot. Subscribe before it's too late. A hydraulic press crush test. We'll see who's stronger. What will win? The press or the Lego? Bet in the comments. Full steam ahead. The Lego is totally crushed. That looked cool. What about the minifig? Will he survive? Come on, bro, we support you. If you make it, I'll give you my breakfast. Help! Oh no, he couldn't handle the pressure. He deserves a chocolate medal. Rest in peace. And now, jelly, gelatin and water, just like how Grandma used to make. But we're actually making jelly Legos that we can use to build stuff and snack on, or something. Fill the molds all the way up. Fridge time. I hope my mom doesn't see. She wouldn't approve of any of this. The jelly is done. Let's see. Aw, are you shaky? I bet you are. Wow, it's coming out all on its own. Jelly Legos. They're soft, sweet, and yummy. Time to build the house. It's melting a little, but that's fine. It's a whole army. Don't be scared. Here are the inhabitants. What's up, my jellies? Who's in charge? Who pays the rent? I'm gonna eat it all up, especially the apple. Nom nom. Meet our world's new villain, the Jelly Eater. I am the eater of jelly. Bow to me, or risk becoming my dessert. Let's go hardcore mode. Melting metal. Who said Legos were just for kids? Cut the aluminum and heat it up. It's getting hot in here. I hope I don't burn off my brows, but I guess I don't tweeze them anyway. Coffee? No, that's the metal boiler. Sorry, Lego barista, but Lego Tony Stark is following his nose. This minifig wanted to be Iron Man, but it didn't work out. More like Iron Omelet. Fill the mold. Careful, it's hot. This is super dangerous. Voila, a metal brick. This is such a useful thing. You can use it to build, to hit people, to hammer in nails. As for our Iron Man, chillax, buddy. Why don't you take an ice bath and calm down? What'd you miss? Oh, NBD, just making Legos out of metal. If he comes to life though, I'm screwed. Add plaster, and the hand is back. Bye-bye, plaster. Now I'm Dr. Lego. Oof, you're a tough guy, huh? Even the press is scared of you. Not much, though. Prepare the ammo. Terminator, you better watch out. I'll be back. Checkmate. You missed, loser. Oh, he's playing Call of Duty for sure. Bam! That was tough. Roll the slow-mo tape. Flying Lego. Epic fall. Victory! I did it. Subscribe if you don't want to get hit by a Lego. Dessert time. Let's mix milk, sugar, and oil with cocoa. What a mess! Don't forget your chef hat. The molds go in the oven. This better work. They're rising. Yum! I'm drooling on the camera. I hope you can't see that. Take it out. They smell amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. Try sniffing your monitor. They don't look super clean, but they do look good. I just don't want them to stick together in a big Lego cake. The minifigure turned out okay. Let's build the dessert house. Welcome to Cocoa Land. Pour on the chocolate.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Even me, even the camera. Enjoy your Legos. Don't forget to wipe your mouth. Or just eat your napkin, I guess. That's good. Sweet stuff, you're next. Ready or not, here I come. Oh gosh, I don't want to die like this. Run, Barney. This is not your time. Break out the hot glue. Lots of colors. This will be the cannon. I'm going to make a Lego that can survive the apocalypse. Press down the top. Make the knobs. Without them, it's not a Lego, it's just ABC gum. Let's check it out. Wow, the tower is coming together. Smells like victory. We got a gate and a guard. You like? I will destroy you. Okay, who taught him how to read the comments? Aim. Fire. That fit perfectly. Gotta get the slow-mo. Chocolate. Put it in the Ziploc and put it in the bath. What a yummy day at the Lego spa. It melted, so it can go in the mold. That chocolate smell is getting deep into my brain. Careful, or you might start hallucinating. Surprise! You're gonna be covered in chocolate from head to toe. This is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Freeze it.
Is it spring yet?
Freezer check. It's frozen. I hope they didn't get stuck together like my tongue in winter. Take them out. The big guy and the babies. Nobody got hurt, except the spoon I used to get them out. A chocolate Lego. The chocolate Lego team is assembled. Time to build the chocolate factory. It's a sweet revolution.
Oompa loompa.
But using caramel and chocolates. And now, attack! Bam! The chocolate empire is falling. No! We will rebuild. Attack, my Choco soldiers. This isn't the end. This is the beginning of the fight of your lives. The final blow. Break out the tomahawk. One hit and there's no more negotiation. But the Choco Empire doesn't give up that easy. Not even when it's melting. Respect. The fan always wins in the end. Hot air gets the job done. Who knew a common household product would be the final boss of this video? The chocolate melted. Sweet river. I wish I could swim in it. Hello, old friend. How's the sweet life? You smell so good, but you look so bad. I'll leave a chocolate print. It's not a mistake, it's art.
Nice.
Now the 3D pen. Let's get drawing. I've awakened my inner artist. Come on, do your thing. Then go to bed. A couple rectangles, a knife, and we're ready. Be careful, these pieces are fragile. Glue them together, add knobs, voila, just like the real thing. Even my mom would say, "Oh my God! Wow!" It's not very strong, but it's colorful. Egg attack, egg rage. Okay, what do we think will be the best for destroying the tower? Mission success. I am the Lego Terminator. My target is anything that's around for longer than 5 seconds. Alright. Now what? Marshmallows, the sweetest victims of the day. They're soft, fluffy, and doomed. Put the marshmallows in the molds. I hope I don't eat them before the experiment is over. Microwave time. The marshmallows are getting a spa day. Typical. Get rid of all that. Clean it up. We don't usually want to start a fire. Set a timer. Don't forget, the microwave will get revenge on anyone who gets stuck in TikTok. Now it can go in the fridge. You're hot, then you're cold. You're yes, then you're no. Don't eat them. This is for science. And it's scientifically tasty. Pull them out of the icy trap. Careful, marshmallows can get you in a sticky situation. A little cornstarch to keep them from sticking to my fingers. Ooh, stretchy like gum. This is tough, but we don't take the easy route around here. We're looking for the yummy routes. We won't give up. We're making that pool. Even if it turns out more like a swamp. Pour in the marshmallows. Dive in. Who's up first? Me. Very stupid. Safety first, whether you're plastic or not. Woohoo! Uh-oh, I'm drowning! Now this is a real cinematic tragedy. LEGO, The Last Swim. We'll save you. Oh, you're really in it now? Marshmallows are merciless. They drag you down. Oh, I'm all torn up. Literally.
Bleh.